Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find the exact value of each expression. We have the inverse tangent of the square root of 3 and arctan of -1. So just to clarify here, inverse tangent and arctan are the same function. They are the inverse function of the tangent. And I'm just going to be using tan inverse just because I think it's a little bit clearer. For A, the tangent inverse of the square root of 3, let's just say it's equal to x, and x is going to be our final answer, so we have to solve for x. If this is true, then tangent of x equals the square root of 3. And we have to find a value of tangent for which, a value of x for which the tangent is equal to the square root of 3. So here we have to use trigonometry, where if we have a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, the side lengths are proportional to 1 root 3, 2. Where if we're taking the tangent of this 60-degree angle, that's equal to the opposite side, which is the square root of 3, over the adjacent side, which is 1. And if we get that tangent of x is equal to the square root of 3 when x is equal to 60 degrees. And you just have to convert 60 degrees into pi-thirds radians. And we get that the tangent function is equal to the square root of 3 when x is equal to pi-thirds. Therefore, tangent inverse of the square root of 3 is equal to pi-thirds. Next, we have arctan of -1. So here, the inverse tangent of -1 is, let's say, y. Therefore, tangent of y has to equal -1. And this is another function where we can see the triangle trigonometric application works. So if we have here a 45, 45, 90 triangle, right? We can see here that the tangent function equals -1 because if we have 1 and -1, when either of these directions are negative, the tangent of 45 is equal to -1 over 1. Sorry, -1 over +1, which is -1. So therefore, the answer is 45 degrees, which is pi over 4. But it's not positive pi over 4, it's in the negative direction. Tan inverse of -1 equals negative pi over 4.